Hey everyone, this is Jerry Boulder from Clear Controls. Welcome to another Clear Tech Tuesday. This week, I would like to show you some of the ins and outs of the Clear Controls dealer dashboard. So let's dive in. So you can see here on the screen, I am currently at clearcontrols.com. The way that you access the dealer dashboard is through the dealer login from this landing page. You can access some other things from the landing page where you do not need to be logged in as a dealer, like the knowledge base. We never block out the knowledge base from anyone. You have free reign. You can always access the knowledge base. So once you log into the dealer dashboard, your screen will look just like this. You have quite a bit that you can do down here. You may have been on this page before, but I just want to show you a few things that you may or may not know have been added, or some cool things that are here. On the first row here, you've got Fusion. So Fusion is our configuration tool that's in the cloud. I know we do typically use our new mobile app for programming called Install Assist, but Fusion is there. You could do health checks. You can use it as a dashboard to check on projects and things like that. Down from there, we have a document search. So if you have devices and you want to look up, any type of manuals, or you can't figure something out, you can always go to the document search and pull down the manual or instructions of how to use that device. Down from there, we have Clear University. We still do a couple times, actually a few times a year, we have localized trainings at the factory in Sarasota, Florida. There is a calendar there where you can go in there and sign up for those trainings. The next one down in the row is video tutorials. There's a lot of cool information in here. There's a whole series of videos that have been created. A lot of them are things like to help you out with Amazon, Alexa integration, things like that. You can see the whole list here. Once you click on these, they just pop open. But the nice thing is they're all in one place, so you can easily access the videos. Back to the dashboard and to the top, you can also request ClearNet access. So what is ClearNet? ClearNet is our portal for security monitoring, or to set up the security, the monitoring side of the security. You can request, if you don't have access, you can request it here instead of having to call. The old way would be to call up or email us and let us know. This way you can just fill out the form and we'll grant you access to that. Tech services, we have a link here. If you need to reach out to us, you can catch us. You can get a hold of us via a chat. You can get a hold of us via email, or obviously by the phone. Next one down is marketing and demonstration tools. This is a really cool thing. If you're going to be using Clear Controls, or you needed assets or marketing materials on your website, or you wanted to get pictures or anything like that, there's a whole archive of brochures, graphical elements, and things to support your needs. If you wanted to post something on your website, like I said, we've got logos and things like that. Next one down, we have dealer accommodations. I know I've done it to Clear Tech Tuesday on how to do the dealer accommodations. However, if you haven't seen it before, it looks just like this. You can fill this out. There's instructions up at the top. So what this is if you are a Clear Controls dealer or a partner, you can go on here and get items that are you can get discounted items for Clear Controls parts and pieces, things like that. The click controllers, items, Clearview lighting, and things like that. So next on the list, if we go down here, we got drivers and integrations. If you click here, you can request new drivers. What new drivers are, if you maybe have a new thermostat, new type of lighting, you can fill out this driver request form. You just fill out this out and click submit down at the bottom. There's business case, and we just need some information about what the device is, how many users or how many times you're going to be using it, things like that. And then this goes to our product management, and then the communication process starts from there. Back to the dashboard again, we've got online literature ordering. I also did another Clear Tech Tuesday on this as well. If we open that up, this is another cool thing that we've got. So if you're a dealer, you can get in here and order all types of marketing materials. You can see over on the right-hand side, everything's already been updated. All the Clear apps, the smart home brochures, and everything have already been recently added to here. So you can go in here. It's free, folks. So if you wanted to get in here and order things, you just put in what you need, you click submit, and you're going to get your goods. So it's pretty neat. And the last one on here, I'm not going to click it because I don't want to open up the dealer price list. However, we frequently update whenever we add new products, things like that. We update this price list, so you can come back frequently and it'll be updated if we add new parts, pieces, devices, things like that. It'll always be an updated price list. So you can grab this, you can download it, you can print it, do whatever you need to do. So that is our dealer portal, or the dealer dashboard. There's a lot here that you can do. So I just wanted to point out, because I know a lot of people just come in, they log in and they go to one spot, because I know that there's a few links up here at the top that you can get to some of the same things from up here, like Fusion. That might be some of the places that you only go. So there is a lot of valuable things down below if you ever need them. So we just wanted to put this out there for y'all. So and that's it for this week. I will put a link down at the bottom that will bring you out here to, but you will need a dealer login to be able to access this dealer dashboard. So again, thank you for tuning in to Clear Tech Tuesday, and we'll catch you next time.